Today I'm going to show you how to cook Lassia spinosa. In botanical name, it's called Lassia spinosa, but in Sinhala it's called Kohila. To be honest, this is very organic and not only organic, and this has a lot of fiber. So Lassia spinosa or Kohila curry is cooking at the moment in the kitchen. Let's see soon. Here you go.